Have you ever wondered how cloud service types determine the flexibility you have with managing and configuring resources? Welcome to the fascinating world of cloud services, a realm that has revolutionized the way we store, manage, and interact with data. In its essence, cloud services refer to the provision of computing services over the internet, replacing the traditional on-site servers. This virtual plane of existence is not homogeneous though. There are different types of cloud services, each with its unique set of benefits and uses. Some grant you complete control, while others take care of all the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on your core business. Regardless of the type, each cloud service plays a pivotal role in ensuring that businesses and individuals alike can harness the power of technology without the burden of hardware. So, let's embark on this journey to understand these different cloud services and how they can benefit you. First off, we have Infrastructure as a Service, commonly known as IaaS. Imagine you're a business owner and you want to set up an IT infrastructure, but you don't want to invest in the physical hardware or deal with the maintenance. That's where IaaS comes into play. IaaS is one of the three main categories of cloud services, alongside Platform as a Service, PaaS, and Software as a Service, SaaS. It provides virtualized computing resources over the internet. This eliminates the need for investing in expensive hardware, as well as the complexities and costs of managing them. Think of IaaS as the foundation of your home. It gives you the basic building blocks like the land, the concrete, the bricks, and the mortar. You have the flexibility to design and build your home the way you want. Similarly, with IaaS, you get the fundamental computing resources, such as virtual machines, storage, and networks. You have the freedom to configure and manage these resources based on your business needs. One of the key benefits of IaaS is scalability. As your business grows, you can easily scale up your infrastructure, and if there's a dip in demand, you can scale down just as easily. This flexibility allows you to pay only for what you use. IaaS is also known for its high level of automation. From desktop virtualization to dynamic scaling, many tasks that were once manual are now automated, freeing up your IT team to focus on strategic initiatives. Now let's talk about use cases. IaaS is typically used for a variety of applications, such as web hosting, big data analysis, and high-performance computing. It's also a great choice for startups and small businesses that need a cost-effective way to launch and scale their IT infrastructure. In terms of the shared responsibility model, with IaaS, you're responsible for managing the applications, data, runtime, and middleware, while the cloud provider takes care of the virtualization, servers, storage, and networking. That's IaaS for you, a flexible and scalable solution for businesses. Moving on, we have Platform as a Service, or PaaS for short. Now, if you've ever had to manage an infrastructure, you know it can be a bit of a hassle. You have to worry about the hardware, the software, the network, the storage, the list goes on. But with PaaS, all those worries can be put to rest. PaaS is a cloud computing model where a third-party provider delivers hardware and software tools to users over the internet. These tools are typically needed for application development. So instead of having to install in-house hardware and software to develop or run a new application, you can simply use a PaaS provider's infrastructure. One of the primary features of PaaS is that it abstracts and manages infrastructure so you can focus on development and innovation. It handles all the heavy lifting of managing servers, networking resources, storage, and operating system software. Imagine having a full team of IT professionals working around the clock to manage your infrastructure, and you'll get an idea of the benefits of PaaS. As for the use cases, PaaS is typically used when multiple developers are working on the same development project, or if other vendors must be included. It's also used for creating sophisticated, scalable enterprise applications. Because these applications require high availability, manageability, and scalability, PaaS is the ideal choice. In terms of benefits, PaaS reduces coding time, adds more development capabilities, reduces the amount of manual steps, provides automated business policy, aids in geographic distribution of development teams, and integrates web services and databases. So in essence, PaaS is like having your own personal IT department, but without the overhead costs and management headaches. It gives you the freedom to focus on what you do best, creating and innovating. So PaaS is your go-to cloud service if you want to focus on development without worrying about infrastructure management. Last but not least, we have software as a service, or SaaS. SaaS is a software distribution model where a cloud provider hosts applications and makes them available to users over the internet. SaaS offers complete applications on the cloud, eliminating the need for installations or setups. This means that you can access your software from any device with an internet connection. No more worrying about system requirements or compatibility issues. Now let's talk about some of the main features of SaaS. One of the most significant features is its subscription-based model. Instead of purchasing software to install or additional hardware to support it, customers subscribe to a SaaS offering. They can typically access the software from any internet-connected device. Another key feature is automatic updates. With SaaS, the cloud provider manages all updates and upgrades, eliminating the need for users to download and install software patches. You always have access to the latest version of the software without having to lift a finger. There are also significant benefits to using SaaS. The most obvious one is cost reduction. SaaS eliminates the upfront costs of purchase installation as well ongoing costs like maintenance and upgrades. Furthermore, SaaS offers high scalability. This means that users can access features on demand, adding or reducing services as business needs change. And of course, let's not forget about the convenience. With SaaS, you can access your applications from anywhere, at any time. This makes it perfect for businesses with remote workers or teams based in different locations. Typical use cases for SaaS include email and collaboration tools, customer relationship management, and human resources management, among others. But remember, while SaaS provides many benefits, it's important to consider factors such as data security, compliance requirements, and the level of control you'll have over your data. In a nutshell, SaaS makes application usage a breeze without any need for infrastructure or platform management. It's an ideal solution for businesses looking to streamline their operations and focus on what truly matters, their core business. Now let's talk about a vital aspect of cloud services, the shared responsibility model. This model is like a pact between you and your cloud service provider, dividing the responsibilities of managing and securing cloud resources. To put it simply, the shared responsibility model is about understanding who is responsible for what when it comes to cloud services. It's a way of ensuring that both you and your provider know your roles in maintaining the security and performance of the cloud resources. Now, how does this model apply to each cloud service type? Let's break it down. In infrastructure as a service or IaaS, you have the most control. You're responsible for managing and securing everything from your applications and data to the operating system. Your provider, on the other hand, is responsible for the physical infrastructure, including the servers, storage, and networking hardware. When it comes to platform as a service or PaaS, your provider takes on more responsibilities. They manage and secure the underlying infrastructure, the operating system, and also the platform where you build and run your applications. Your main responsibility here then is your applications and data. Finally, in software as a service or SaaS, your provider has the lion's share of responsibilities. They manage and secure everything from the infrastructure to the applications. Your responsibility? Primarily your data and in some cases, user access management. Now, why is understanding this model so important? It's because it helps you know what aspects of cloud security you need to focus on. It also prevents a common pitfall, the assumption that your provider is taking care of everything. Remember, understanding the shared responsibility model is key to effectively using and securing your cloud resources. So far, we have covered a lot of ground. We've embarked on a journey through the diverse landscape of cloud services, each with its unique features and benefits. We've delved into infrastructure as a service, IaaS, a model that offers you the flexibility of managing your own applications, data, runtime, middleware, and operating system. We also explored platform as a service, PaaS, where you can focus on your application and data, leaving the rest to your service provider. And let's not forget software as a service, SaaS, where everything is managed by the service provider, giving you the freedom to simply use the software. We've also discussed the shared responsibility model, showing how responsibilities are divided between you and your provider, depending on the cloud service type you choose. We have discussed different cloud service types and their uses in this video. It's now up to you to choose the one that best suits your needs. Until next time, keep exploring the cloud.